This is our 5th grade camp experience. Wentzville does this each year. So all of the activities are based on the 5th grade curriculum. So it's just an extended way to learn an alternate environment. It gets them out in the outdoors. A lot of the kids have never had the opportunity to do things like fishing. We take a hike through the woods where they're doing kind of a scavenger hunt, so they get to look for things.
I like it. It's more like learning life skills about what you have to do and staying with your partner, keeping track of what you're doing.
It's cool to be out here because first of all, you get to spend time with everybody, your friends and stuff, and you get to learn more about survival and fishing and how to build a fire and stuff.
What's going on?
It's amazing.
Why do you think it's amazing?
Because it's really fun. It's amazing. It's like there's recess all day. I'm learning a lot. When I got my new phone, I just grew into my phone, and then I grew into YouTube. So I thought maybe today's the day where I can stop. But now I'm out of my phone right now. And also, when we're gonna make a fire, I know how to grab a stone and a stick and a bow. I know how to grab that and make a fire with it.
It's interacting with their peers, interacting with the adults around them in a way that they don't interact with them in school. I can tell you, actually, even from personal experience, my children both went through the Wentzville School District. They're grown now, and they still talk about their camp experience. Even the kids that aren't really excited about coming to camp, once they're coaxed into coming, they're absolutely thrilled with the experience.
My favorite part was the bow. It was more like learning the perspective of how you shoot a bow and all of what you do and the process to shoot it.
I liked going fishing out there. It was really cool. Probably the owl, because I found a lot of really cool from different animals. The owl, I don't know, puked out.
The parks actually are wonderful to work with. We've been working with them for the last few years. We pretty much have access to the whole park. My favorite part is watching kids that maybe in the classroom are a little quieter, or even kids that struggle in the classroom, watching them bloom and watching what they can do here, because they're really in their element, and you get to watch them interact with their peers at a different level.